Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my evening skincare routine featuring some products from Revlon. I have the Revlon double-sided cleansing brush and the Revlon diffuser razors that I'm going to be showcasing in this video. So let's get started. So the first product right here is the Revlon double-sided cleansing brush, and tonight I'm going to use this FUZZ gentle foaming cleanser. Hopefully I said that right. And a little bit about this brush. First of all, I got it free from CrowdTap, so I'm going to put a card up above to let you know the video that I filmed showing how you can get free beauty products. So I received this free via CrowdTap, one of their campaigns. It's $14.99. There are two surfaces to the brush. There's an exfoliating side, and then there's the daily cleansing side with the bristles. It's latex free, so it's suitable for all skin types, and you can use it every single day. All you have to do is wet the brush, put your favorite cleanser on it, and massage it all over your face to remove any excess dirt, makeup, and oil. You rinse it clean and you let it air dry, and that's it. What I liked about it is the bristles were very soft. The exfoliating pad isn't too rough. It's easy to use and easy to clean, and then it got my face really clean. Next, I'm going to be using the Tatcha Violet C Radiance Mask, and I absolutely love this mask. I got this little sample size in a skincare box from Sephora. It had a couple different skincare samples, and I love this mask because it smells good and it brightens the skin. It's a cool purple color, and you can use it up to 3 times a week, so it's not really harsh on your skin. It's part of the Clean Beauty line from Sephora, and it has Japanese blueberry in it, which helps to support youthful radiance. So comment below if you ever tried this product, if you like this product. This is one of my favorite masks that I like to use, especially in the summer, because you know you get a little bit darker in the summer, so I like to use that to brighten up my skin. So you can keep this mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. I like to do 20 minutes, and look how beautiful my skin looks. I absolutely love that mask. The next thing I'm using is this Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. This is a serum, and it's for normal, combo, and dry skin. I didn't see if it was for oily skin, but it is kind of oily, so I would imagine it is not. But I really like using this serum at night. It's really one of the staple pieces of my nighttime skincare routine. Next, it is time to prep our eyes for the evening. So I'm using this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. This is pretty much an eye serum. It's for all skin types. You can use morning and night, but I like to use it at night because it feels better at night, like winding down to calm the day, get the day away out of the eyes. Hopefully that makes sense. It just feels more so calming at night to use it, and it just rehydrates your eyes overnight. So I really like that. And I've got this sample off of Facebook. Again, like I told you, you can get free samples off of Facebook. This product right here is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. It is another type of serum, and again, I got this sample free off of Facebook. If you scroll through Facebook, sometimes you'll see your favorite brands and they're giving away a free sample, and I took advantage of that and actually got 2 samples of this particular product. I like this product because it provides 24-hour moisture, it soothes irritation within an hour after application, and it just makes my skin feel really nice and soft after I apply it. So I definitely really like this product, and I am considering purchasing a full size of this product. Next, I'm using the Revlon Face Diffuser, and I keep wanting to say Face Diffuser, but it's called a Face Diffuser. And these are just some razors from Revlon. I also received these free from CrowdTap. These are $5.49 in your local drugstore, and they're supposed to create a smooth canvas, an even canvas for you to apply skincare products and your makeup products. It's supposed to help the skincare products that you use absorb into your skin better, and it can be used to shape your brows and sideburns, and you can use it multiple times. All you have to do is wipe it off after you use it. I had a ton of fun actually using this product. I would have never thought to incorporate this kind of razor in my skincare routine, and I am absolutely loving it. And what was I missing out on, man? Because I definitely enjoyed using this product. And after using it a bit, I noticed that that side of my face just got really lighter. So all of that peach fuzz and all that darkness that I was seeing and experiencing over, at least on that side of my face, was just pure peach fuzz and hair, which was actually very, very alarming. So I definitely like this product for that. After I was all done using the FUZZ razor, I was just very, very shocked at how smooth my skin felt and the results. And here's all the peach fuzz hair that was all over my face that I didn't know about. So yeah, I really like that product. The next thing I am using is this Renewed Hope in a Jar, and this is by Philosophy. This is just a nighttime moisturizer, and I really like this. I actually purchased this from QVC. A little goes a long way because it is very, very thick. It's supposed to be really thick and moisturizing and help to penetrate your skin throughout the night. So when you wake up, your skin is nice and refreshed and moisturized. It definitely helps to restore the moisture overnight. So if you have this product, or if you want to try this product, it lasts really long. It does a really good job, but just be careful when applying it because a little bit goes a long way. The last thing I like to do, whether it's the morning or the evening, is just to spray a facial mist on my face. So this one I am using is from Herbivore. It's their Rose Hibiscus Spray. I already reviewed this line of products on my channel, so I'll leave a card up above if you would like to see that review. And I am all done. My skin is nice and refreshed, and I am ready to go to bed. So what do you guys think? Have you ever heard of the Revlon double-sided cleansing brush? Do you have it? Let me know in the comment section below. Also about the defuzzer. And thank you guys so much for watching. Good night. See you in the next one.